Adding inflation and compounded growth rates to dynamic array models isn't simple unless we have BXL's free 5G function, inflation. Inflation is one of the more than 24 5G functions in BXL's Financial Models 2025 library. The link to it is in the video's description. Inflation handles all inflation and compounding growth rate scenarios across model timelines, automatically, accurately, and realistically. It uses geometric compounding, so there is never any compounding drift, and using it is incredibly simple. Let's start with a simple case. We have just one inflation rate. Inflation asks for a model's timeline, which contains period end dates, which is inflation's default, and our inflation rate. That's it. We now have inflation factors for every period. Just multiply any amount by these factors to adjust them for inflation. Let's see a more complicated example. Here we have the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics inflation projections. The rates change nearly every month. This is not a problem for inflation. Now let's use inflation to project sales growth. If we change the model's timeline to quarters, inflation adjusts automatically and accurately. It realistically smooths the annual rate, and if we change to month, inflation handles that as well. One function in one cell provides inflation factors that can vary over time and never suffer compounding drift. Because it's a ready-to-use, pre-tested function, it completely eliminates logic, reference, and typing errors. And don't forget, with dynamic arrays, inconsistent formulas are impossible. Excel simply won't let us break the array. So instead of concentrating on formulas, we can concentrate on modeling the financials. Not familiar with how to import 5G functions directly into your model? Be sure to watch How to Get 5G Functions. The link is provided in this video's description. Download your free 5G functions and start modeling with confidence. My name is Craig, and this is Beyond Excel.